Yo, so today I'm going to make a really simple ravioli, spinach and ricotta ravioli with a few onions, a pepper and fresh tomatoes and some olives. Just basically a few things that I had left over in the fridge. Dice up my onion, slice up my pepper, half my tomatoes and probably half these olives as well. And then I'm going to add them all into the cooking pan. Cook them all off, get the onions nice and golden, as well as the peppers, and then we're going to cook the ravioli, and then we're going to add them all into the same pan. Probably a little bit of oil over the top, and that'll do me. I like to cut my onion and my peppers up all similar size, so they all cook nice and evenly together, not big chunky things. I like my diced veg quite small, maybe just over a centimetre squared, something like that. So I've heated the pan and I'm going to add a little bit of oil, just into the bottom, maybe a tablespoonful. Swirl that around, and then I'm going to add my peppers and my onions, and then I'm going to cook them for maybe 5-10 minutes, something like that, until they're nice to cook. I don't want to burn them, I just want them to go nice and golden brown. We start to release the sugars within the onions and the peppers. Yep. So while the onions and the peppers are just sweating down, I'm just going to add my boiling hot water to my ravioli. And we're going to cook that for maybe 5 minutes or so, just so it's just underdone, because I don't like it really overcooked. So I'll add my water, and then I'm also going to add into that a little pinch of salt. So I'm now going to season the peppers and onions with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, however much you like. So they've really cooked down nicely now, it's starting to go golden. I'm going to add in my tomatoes. I don't overcook these. They are baby plum tomatoes. I don't really want to overcook them, I just want to warm them through. Bear in mind, I'm not using a sauce on this. I'm going to add the pasta into the tomatoes, the peppers and the onion, and then I'm just going to drizzle it all with some basil olive oil, and then put the olives just through it, and then probably put some parmesan cheese on after that. So the pasta's cooked now. Should be alright now. I'm going to sieve it all off, and then I'm going to add them into my vegetables. So I'm going to take these off the heat now because they are cooked. I'm going to add them into my drained pasta. Cover it in oil. Be generous with it. Season with a bit of pepper. Give it a swirl around. And that is my spinach and ricotta pasta. Vegetarian, with some fresh basil leaves out the garden.